Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel for baking. Now in the last video from months ago I showed you how to make the red nose cupcakes. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make the triple chocolate chunk muffins. Now if you don't have the ingredients, head out to the shop to get what you need. Now these are the instructions. I'm going to be showing you how to make the kind of muffins you'll be making. First of all, it's to sift in 250 grams of plain flour, 50 grams of cocoa powder, and a tablespoon of baking powder. Next is to sift those ingredients into a sieve. Once you have sifted the flour, baking powder and the flour, adding 125 grams of dark brown sugar. Once you added the sugar, make a stir so it is all combined together. Now for the separate bowl, combine the beaten eggs, 2 eggs, 125 grams of unsalted butter, 200 milliliters of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This is the orange one. Mix together the wet ingredients and put in a separate bowl. Once the wet mixture has been combined, put the wet mixture in the center of the well. Gently fold the wet ingredients and the dry ingredients together. So the last one will add 100 grams of dark chocolate chunks, white chocolate chunks, and the white ones as well. Once the chocolate chunks have been put in 12 separate muffin cases. Pour in until they are 3/4 of the way up full. Those are the muffins that have been put into 12 separate muffin cases. All I have to do is to sprinkle those on top of the muffin batter. Those are the muffins that have been decorated as fudge chunks or white chocolate and have been divided into 12 muffin cases. The next thing to do is to put them in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes until they have been risen like they are like muffins. So pause the video now and I'll show you what it's going to turn out next after it's been baked. These are the muffins that have been coming out of the oven and have been baked for 20 to 25 minutes and now are cooled on a wiring rack. So what did you think of this muffin recipe that I showed you? So if you want to have a go at making this recipe, don't forget to follow the instructions below to see whether you want a recipe like this. So if you like this recipe, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more recipe tutorial videos. So in the next video, bye.